I'm Samar and I've scored 640 in Neet 2023. I'm a student of Stellar Integrated Program. About Stellar Academy and its teachers, I would like to say that it's a very good institute and I would recommend Neet aspirants to come here. The teachers are very motivating and supportive. They bring out the best in their students and are ever ready to help them whether it comes to any doubts, or if they go to them for extra questions, they'll always be ready to give them questions. And they're always there to support you, to motivate you. Yes, definitely I would like to recommend Stellar Academy to my friends and family. The teachers are very friendly. They become your friends and they they teach you in the best way possible, and overall it's a wonderful experience here. I would like to tell all my juniors that sheer hard work is the only key to success. There is no substitute to hard work. Self-study along with paying rapt attention in class is very important, and you must remain focused, and if it is your dream, you'll surely achieve it if you work hard. At Stellar, every Sunday we had a test, so it keeps you motivated and it helps you to study also. The tests are very useful, very beneficial. It prepares you for the final exam, so that's one plus point about Stellar. Stellar's were 3 centers, one in Porvorim, Vasco and Margao. I was a Margao student and each center has different teachers, so our teachers are always available, and if the students are going off track, they know how to bring them back in track, and they are always there for the students. They are like the students' friends. They are always there to support them, motivate them and bring out the best in them. So I've never watched any videos online. I rely totally on my teachers and on self-study. It's the matter that your teachers tell you all or teach you all is very important, and it will always remain with you. Watching online or studying online is not the solution. And the Stellar modules are good enough, and you must refer to them and refer to your teacher's notes, which is very important. I would like to say thank you to all my teachers at Stellar. They have been really great and really supportive, and I'm so grateful to have had them. I'll always remain grateful to this place. The teaching and non-teaching staff have been so supportive. And finally, I would like to thank my parents and my sisters. Without them, this would never be possible.
Hi, my name is Eva Pizardo. I'm a student of Estellar Academy and I've scored 610 marks for the NEET exam 2023. After clearing NEET, I'm feeling very happy that this year I'll be getting a seat, as it was my dream of becoming a doctor. About Stellar Academy, I feel that it's a very good place if you're aiming to clear NEET, because the teachers are very hardworking and they make sure that our concepts are cleared, and they teach in a way that makes us understand very easily. I would definitely recommend Stellar Academy to my juniors and relatives. Stellar Academy is different from other coachings as the teachers here are very approachable. You can approach them at any time. They will be very ready to help you out and to clear your doubts. The staff as well is very friendly, and they make sure that we get our study materials on time. To my juniors, I would like to give this message is that for preparing NEET, make sure that you revise regularly, be attentive in class, and make sure that you solve a lot of questions on regular basis. And make sure that you get your doubts cleared as well. I would recommend that you do not refer any other source, because multiple sources end up confusing the students. So it's better to rely on Stellar if you want to clear NEET. I would like to thank God. I would like to thank my parents and my brother. I would definitely thank Stellar, the teaching and non-teaching staff at Stellar Academy, because they played a huge role and helped me to prepare well for NEET.
Hello, I'm Vanya Naruna Fernandez and I have scored 607 for the NEET UG exam. I am from Stellar Integrated Batch. I would like to thank my teachers for supporting me throughout these 2 years and helping me crack the exam. I was not referring any other source for preparing for the NEET exam, only Stellar was enough. I would like to tell my juniors that the 2 years you get for preparing for this exam are very crucial and you need to use them wisely. Work hard, be patient, and you will see yourself doing very well for the exam. I would recommend Stellar Academy to all my juniors who want to crack the NEET and JEE exam as it provides a student friendly environment and motivates you to keep studying. I feel extremely happy to have scored 607. It has always been a dream and I worked very hard for these 2 years to get this match and I'm so happy it's all come true. The teachers at Stellar Academy have always supported me in everything, be it my low scores, motivating me to do better, and always making me feel like I'm not alone and they are with me. Stellar Academy is better than other coaching institutes because here concepts of physics and chemistry are made very easy. The teachers take a lot of pain to make sure that each and every student really understands each and every concept. I do not recommend using multiple sources for reference. The NCERT textbook is well sufficient. Whatever is taught at Stellar here is well sufficient to crack the exam with the great scores. I was personally not referring any other source for the exam.